So you might be in a situation where for some reason your alarm on your iPhone just isn't working at all, or maybe it's not making any noise. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just make sure that your sound on your iPhone is basically set up and it's not basically down. So make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, and then you want to scroll down until you find this little sounds option. So scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, go and tap into there. And then what you're going to want to do right here where it says ringtone and alerts, you just want to go through and make sure that your volume is all the way up. That is going to be one of the easiest things you can do. Just go through, make sure your volume is all the way up. That is going to be the first thing I'd recommend thinking about. Now, another thing that can happen is sometimes it does play a volume or it does play a sound, but your sound is just diluted a little bit because of your Face ID and passcode, basically your attention aware issues. So what you're going to want to do is go back into your settings. You want to go back into Face ID and passcode. So go through Face ID and passcode, which is right over here. And then what you're going to want to do after typing in your passcode, you then want to go through and you want to make sure attention aware features are basically disabled. So go through, find this require attention for face attention aware features like this. You want to go through and basically disable this, and that's going to go through and end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that still doesn't work, you might want to try going through and just going into your alarm clock application, and all you're going to want to do here is just to go through and just make sure that so what you're going to want to do in your clock application is just make sure your clock, like your alarm, is basically set up and there's no issues there. You might want to try restarting your phone. That's another thing you can do as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.